Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins here as always, and I'm back with another bang. Today is yet another Gele tutorial video, so let's get into it. You want to grab your Gele. Today we are using Ashoke. I divided this into 50-50 measurement, got my then placed it on my head, brought the other hand, you see, and brought it right underneath my chin, and then I used my leg to hold it. So I put it between my legs to hold it tight, and I came round to the front and I was doing the pleats. So I was straightening the pleat. I wasn't creating anything here, I was just following what was already there and making sure it's aligned and it's a straight one. So I did that all the way, kept doing that until I got and achieved all the pleats that were there. And once that was achieved, I grabbed it and immediately let go of the one that was between my legs. So I kept doing that until I achieved what I wanted, and I went all the way to the back where it meets and crossed it. So you can see here I was trying to make sure I don't get any of my hair caught between the gillies. So I was just trying to get all my braids, my twist out of between the gillies. And then I crossed it, and then once I did, I started doing my pleats from the bottom part. So you can just see I was lifting up the gilly. I was still fighting with my hair, guys. Advisable, either wear a wig cap, put your hair in a bun, or put your hair in a donut before tying your gilly on yourself. You know, just advice. So yeah, I got the gilly and I placed it on the top part of my head, and I started creating pleats. So for this part of the gilly, I wanted it to be a fan. Now, because I wanted it to be fan, the pleats would not be like equal, so I started slanting it. As you can see, the slants, and I just kept doing that all the way to the top. Once all of my pleats are achieved, I just picked up the middle part, the bottom, and then twisted it because I don't want the fan all the way to the back, because I'm going to create another look on the other side. I grabbed that hand and pulled it to make sure it was tight enough, and grabbed the top of the gilly and pinned it together just to hold it in place. So once I was done, I came around to the front and just make sure the pleats that I created was straight, was fine, was following all the way to the top. And I just kept using my hand to lift it, to adjust it, and make sure like that fan was what I wanted. Then I took the other hand of the gilly and I flicked it all the way to the back. So I brought it to the back of the fan, not the back of the gilly, not the back of your head, the back of the fan that I've created previously. and I was following it because on this side of the gele I want it to be round. So the style I was creating was half fan, half round. So I just kept doing that and making sure the pleats follows, because this is round. You can see that the pleats are coming over each other, not slanted, not on the other side, they're coming over each other. So I came around and then I got the end of the gele, and I took the pin I had on the other side, the other hand of the gele. I took that off and I tied my gele. This is the way I secure my gele. So I secured it real tight, real good, and it wasn't moving. And once that was done, I came back around to the front, still adjusted the fan, but I thought, you know what, I'll adjust that at the end because I still needed to do the round. I kept doing my pleats over each other, as you can see guys, over each other. I was just folding it from the top all the way to the bottom. Did the same thing from the middle, was folding it from the top all the way down. As you can see guys, it's over each other. I wasn't creating anything, just over each other. And then I just did that and made sure it came all the way around, and I used my hand. I was just adjusting it, guys. You just keep adjusting it until you get what you want and you achieve the look that you're going for. I just kept doing that. Once that was done, I came around to the front to adjust my fan. As you can see, I'm lifting my fan, and I was like, yes, this is what I want. So I just made sure the gele was neat, just trying to make it neat as possible. So you can see me the pleats over each other. Once I was happy with the way it looked, I just got myself a pin to pin both the fan and the round together, just so they stay in place, and it gives that seamless look, that seamless transition from the round into the fan. And then I kept adjusting, and I wasn't quite happy with the amount of gele that was left on this side, because it wasn't looking on it wasn't looking on the same level as the other one. So I just came out round, and then I pulled the top bits there, and just pulled it in, just so I can get all of the extra geles that was on that side that I didn't like and I didn't want. Pulled it, and you can just see that it's there. Boom, magic. And then I came around to the front, and I was just adjusting it. And if I saw that I needed a bit more to come out, I pulled it back out bit by bit. And yeah, I just kept fiddling with it until I was happy with the look. And that was it, guys. I do hope you've enjoyed today's video. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you can always get a notification every time I, Lizzie Atkins, upload new content. Follow me on all my social media platforms at Lizzie Atkins on Snapchat, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Let's be friends and let's stay connected. For now, remain blessed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Keep watching.